Creative people and teams often have a list of running ideas. Whether it's a never-ending Google Doc or a more formal calendar, having a repository of future topics answers the questions, what do I write about next? Zapier's integration with OpenAI GPT-3 can help. Simply start with a topic, use GPT-3 to expand on the content ideas, and store the results in your project management tool. The use case for writers is widely varied, but for long-form writers, GPT-3 can do things like identifying subtopics related to a primary topic, write an intro or a conclusion, or generate a counterargument for a topic. Instead of having to retrieve this information manually, AI writing tools can bring that information directly to you. GPT-3 can be integrated with many apps. Let's try connecting it with Trello. If you'd like to start with a template, click on the Zap template in the link below and you'll be taken to the Zap editor. Click on the trigger button at the top of the screen and we can get started. We'll need to start by logging into our Trello account. The first time we set up Trello, we'll need to authenticate it with Zapier. A link will pop up for you to log into your Trello account. Don't worry, it's totally safe because Zapier uses industry standards for encryption when connecting with each of your apps. I'll put a link to Zapier's security and trust page in the description as well. We'll then need to set up our trigger apps data. Under Board, select the board you'd like to use for your Zap. You could choose a label as well if you'd like by selecting on the dropdown. Once that's complete, click Continue. Click Test Trigger and you're all set with the first step. Click Continue and our first action step will appear. In order to use the OpenAI app, we'll need to create an API key and connect it to Zapier. To do this, go to your OpenAI page, click the top right button of your screen, and then select View API Keys on the dropdown. Click Create New Secret Key, and then copy the key and paste it onto your authorization screen. Make sure you save the key in case you need it again, as you won't be able to view it a second time. Once you're logged in, we'll need to set up the Action Apps data. In the prompt field, write out what you would like to send OpenAI. I'll delete the prompt given and type in a custom message. I'll type, please generate a counter-argument on the topics listed below. Keep the text between 250 and 300 words. Next, under the dropdown, I'll click Card Name. Click Test Action, and we can move on to our second action step. Log into your account once more, click Continue, and then our action screen should be pre-filled. Click Continue once more, click Test Action, and I should be all set. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, anytime a new label is added to our Trello card, OpenAI will automatically create a counterargument for this topic that we chose to label. We can use OpenAI with Trello or thousands of other apps using Zapier. If you want to read more about AI integration and ChatGPT, you can check out our blog listed on the Zapier website. Click the link in the description.